Excited. Good morning everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today for breakfast we're gonna eat tequeños. His mom made it yesterday at night because Michael's brother is visiting, so she made it late yesterday, so I was not able to film it. So let's go eat. Dobrou chuť. It's so cheesy. It fell. Excuse me. Oh no. So yummy.
Oh hi, mine.
Sophia only ate the dough from them. I think it might be too cheesy for her.
Eat.
Okay, eat it. One of the best breakfasts. Okay.
너무 맛있어. Not too salty.
應該佢叫我落10個橄欖油鹽，我攞5個橄欖油鹽，應該落多啲鹽。
Eat.
7個?
Eat. Eat.
Tequeño.
1 to 10, how would you rate it?
9.
1, 2,
Because
4.
we used to eat tequeños that were this long.
And that's the 10. How would you describe tequeños for people that don't know what it is?
It's not mozzarella sticks. No. It's something else. It's better than mozzarella sticks. Cheesy, melted cheese on the inside.
Mozzarella sticks are cheesy, melted cheese inside.
And then a thick layer of dough on the outside. It's fluffy. That's the difference.
No cheese.
Cheese. Today for lunch, Mom made a typical Venezuelan dish which consists of rice, beans, and meat. I just wanted to share it with you guys because it's so delicious, especially the meat. It falls apart, it's not chewy, it's just so delicious, and the beans, oh my goodness, they are delicious.
Sure.
You wanna try this one? Try this one. No?
No.
Okay. How do you like the ice cream?
Perfect for the weather. It's good. It's always good. You got it? Do I
What
have to name
flavor?
it?
What flavor do you?
This is where we are. Graham Central Station.
You're sitting, yes. Like a big girl.
Try once more.
Yep. Put it on the table. Good job.
Sophia.
Papa will get more ice cream for you. You wanna try? Okay, wait, Mama will hold it. Mama will hold it.
Yeah.
Wow. Whoa.
So much laundry. Well, someone is already doing laundry. you helping in laundry? Coffee? What coffee? Oh, Grandpa is drinking coffee. Okay, okay. Let's do the big clothes first, okay? Can you give Mama the clothespins? All the flowers. Okay, do it by yourself. Okay. It is Kiba. Okay, there are more here. Yeah, there are a lot more here. So today I will be working on the wall decals. Let's get into this. Excited. I'm cutting the wall decals for a laundry project I am currently working on. Stay tuned for that video. Hopefully coming out soon. I love working on small projects where I can watch Netflix. What's better than watching Gilmore Girls and cutting out flowers on a fall day?